Quick unboxing for MaxBrakes for 2014 Nissan Rogue. Pads, nice and solid. Lots of hardware clips. That can get confusing. That's all for the back end. Little pads. Rotors. Solid GeoMet covered. This must be the rear because it's got the parking brake shoes inside there. And again, all the front. These rotors are solid. They're heavy. All well packaged. Another box here. Oh, it appears we have one more here, so let's open this up. Get this going here. Yeah, another back rotor. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they're heavy. They're not light. And they got the GeoMet coating on them. Yeah, this is for the rear brakes of the parking shoes. Other one, front brakes, empty box. Other front brake is here. It includes all the hardware, everything that you need, pads, instructions, whole 9 yards. I mean, this is a well-made piece of metal. I know they're probably made in China, but I believe they are machined in Canada. That's what I was told. But yeah, the coating is all the way down the side and everywhere, so less chance of these rotors rusting. Again, brake pads, rotors, everything I need for a 2014 Nissan Rogue, and the boxes are there, and they're all well packaged.